Ayan guys, another kong documentary is about Calbayog. Guys, pag suwering nga nga Calbayog, o sa inihiya nga mga very historic and very rich in history nga nanera di heritage, grabe. And ansya ni the home of the great people gihapon nga na-produce sa Samar Island. Hira Abilino, Hira Rosales, mga Gomez, nga dapat nato madidiscover. Yan na kita handumanan o sa inihiya nga nahimo na ini nga museum, and actually this was built or constructed on 1887. Yan, ali di talaga pera history. And this one right here, bago lang niya gin-open, dinigin bubutangan mga, kung napapansin niyo, mga masterpieces, mga painting, pero actually niya, may nga structure. And makato kita, ini guys nga nakikita natin didi guys, di mga walls. As in very original pa, hindi ko, anong 1887, hasta yan na ansya lagyapon, ganito kadakmol an iya wall, nga ganon katibay yan iya mga structures nga, hasta yan na, wari lagyapon iniya karurubat. And makato kita luyo guys, because there is someone who will tell us about Calbayog. Ayan guys, before sering kasi nira ini ginhimo ini nga presuhan. Ayan, ada kita di diha mayors of Calbayog na sir. Saan na pati mo ngaran sir?
I'm Res.
Anon full name na to sir?
Mabuhay, dahil ka mo sa Calbayog. I'm Rolando Sacla Jr. Accredited tourist guide for heritage tour sa Calbayog City. So, once again, dahil ka mo sa Calbayog.
Sir, pagka magsiring Calbayog, ano ba ang may ada Calbayog nga pwede nato nagparayaw? Diri laha Pilipinas kundi habugos nga kalibutan.
Aside from, we are a city of many waterfalls around, and this is also a city that is rich in history and culture. So, I'm an accredited heritage tourist guide, and when you come to Calbayog, maybe I can be one of your tour guide around Calbayog City proper, that will tour you around with regards to the heritage of the city. And right now you are at Handumanan Building. This is formerly a war zone during the Japanese era, wherein if you're familiar with Presuhan during World War II and until the early 1990s. So until its transfer in Gadgaran. And formerly, as I've said, this is a garrison of Japanese occupationists, and also the office. This has been also a place for the first settlement of the TTMVS, the Tiburcio Tansinco Memorial Vocational School, now Northwest Samar State University, the second floor. And right now, this is an exhibit area for the different things that Calbayog City can offer. So we have here a gallery of the famous persons in Calbayog, and like Ceronio, the late Cardinal Rosales, and even the former Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government, Melson and Sermiano. So if you happen to visit here in Calbayog, there are many historical sites that we can offer. One of which is this one, the Handumanan Building, and just adjacent to this building is the famous mother of the church, the Catholic Church in the region, which is the St. Peter and Paul Cathedral that has been built since 1912. A cathedral that is in Gothic form, Romanesque Gothic shape building, and which is also full of history. And if you happen to visit Calbayog City, don't forget to drop by our cathedral. And just adjacent to the cathedral is the Caballo Pilot Central School, which houses the Gabaldon Building, also a historical site in the city. And just adjacent to the Gabaldon Building, the Caballo Pilot Central School, is the mansion or the house of the Rosaleses, formerly the mansion of the Rosaleses, and now the convent of the Franciscan sisters here in the city, the active Franciscan sisters. So just around the heart of Calbayog, you can already see history, you can already see culture, which is one of the interesting part or the interesting sceneries here in Calbayog.
Ayan guys, sir, ano hindi din sir? Adi may nakikita ko nga bagahan mga
These are artifacts, authentic artifacts from the distant past, found in some settlements here in Calbayog. As you see, these are the old Barutsaya
Filipiniana,
which was worn by Calbayog.
mga piranin katuig yan na sir. Bawal. Guys ha, bawal inira kaptan. Bawal. Hands off ha. Pag kumadi ka mo, hands off. Ayan, always remember. Hands off. Ayaw niya pag i-touch.
So also here is a picture of the late Senate President Jose Dira Abilino. So the reason or the proponent why Calbayog is a city for 76 years now. So, and Jose Dira Abilino is the great-grandfather of Paulo Abilino.
Ano di man sir ang kan si Aaron nyo? Picture.
Governor, Deputy Prime Minister, Mayor.
Ano di ba sir? Ano pa? Hini niya sir? Dilantar. Thomas Gomez Dilantar. Hindi niya sir?
Press Secretary. Former Press Secretary of Marcos also.
Wow ha?
Yes.
From Calbayog. Ano sir nga picture sir?
Pictures of the
Cathedral?
Facade of the St. Peter and Paul Cathedral. In siya mga 1940s to 1960s until the present.
Sir, hainan mas nauna an Napalo or din niya Calbayog? Calbayog talaga. Yes. So guys, mas nauna an Cathedral han Calbayog because an Calbayog naging center han diocese ang Bugos nga regionate, Samar and Leyte.
There was a time na usa lang nga diocese and Samar and Leyte. And if I'm not mistaken, and Palo is just 75 or 80 years.
This one?
While we are already 112, 115 years as a diocese. Yes. So, mas naman na yung Calbayog.
Sir, may ka pa istorya pang idudugang. Kaya ano nga gintawag nga Calbayog?
According to historians, the first settlement of Calbayog is not here in the heart of the city. Based on histories, even with other cities, ang first settlement god is Haraniha Salog. So, may nakita na ko dito, Hibata. Our first settlement is the Hibatang River, this one. Hibatang River. So, ginsisiring ni Rangan, settlement ko noon Calbayog, nagtikang Hibatang River.
Hay, matinadapit sir.
That is more or less 10 kilometers from here going north.
Siya ba?
Dito ko na. Tapos ginyaranan ko no Calbayog is because during the times and mga Spanish to American era, may nagsiring ko no makadtukit ko no Kandabayog. So, tas nagkuan nila siya because of pag pasapasa sa termino ningato nila sa Calbayog. So that's it.
Meaning Bayog is
Apelyido.
Apelyido. Yan na.
Mga sikat nga apelyido.
Yan na ang Bayog, ani pa yan na.
May mga bayog pa din sa Calbayog.
Calbayog. Ano siya ba?
Yes po.
Sige sir, damo nga salamat. Sir, may nakita ko dito sa parang tawag ini. Anyone could tell anon may hada didini. Ano parang presuhan.
Yeah, it's because in the past, hindi siya talaga na building is presuhan talaga siya. So, sa retrofit, in retrofit and building, in preserve ini siya nga sugod sila para preserve ang memorabilia niya nga presuhan siya once until the early 90s.
Damo nga salamat, sir.
Okay, thank you. Dayon ka sa Albayo.
Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa St. Peter and Paul Chapel, Cathedral. Ayan. Yan na-build ini guys nga era Diocese de Calvayo. 1910. So 1910 is already 115 years. Mas nauna inihiya. Sa rin kanina naton nag-explain Mr. Rolando Sapla Jr. ang tourism guide nga mas nauna ang diocese han Calbayog kaysa Palo. Ngan Asianian sentro han Roman Catholicism when it comes to kuan and administration. Ang Calbayog Cathedral, St. Peter and Paul Cathedral, kaysahan Palo Cathedral.